This is the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II and we are going to unbox this. So we are going to take this off. I have pretty long nails, so it helps. So let's see what is there in this new ZV-E10 Mark II. Okay, there are the usual, I don't know, this is just like, I don't know why people send this. I mean, like, yeah, anyways, you have this in different languages. If you're a polyglot and you speak multiple languages, you can probably like show off to your girlfriend. Yeah, that's good. And okay, register your new product online okay, you can register and like hopefully this is for warranty. You get this, and then you have the same the user guides and user help guides in various languages. All this, this is not really important, so let's go further. Let's see what else is there in the box. Here we have a strap from Sony. It is, we normally don't use it. We get like better straps because it's flimsy and not really trustworthy. The strap I'm talking about. Okay, let's see what else is there. Okay, so here we have the ultimate Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, and it is black in color, and it also has kit lens, which is around 3.5 to 5.6 aperture and 16 to 50 focal length. It is a Sony E-mount and it looks good. The camera looks good. Okay, let's see what else is there in the box. Here we have the battery, which is NPFC100 battery, which is a new improved battery, way better than Sony ZV-E10. Just the first part, it's way better than that. And here we have, Aja bhai. Aja bhai, okay, he came. Took some time to come out, but here we have the windscreen, and you put it in the spot, and then you can you can get the audio much better, and it can help you with wind noises and all that. It can eliminate the wind noises. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. We will talk about the complete feature of this camera, all about that in the next video, which will be available here. You can watch it.